You to Richa. And oh, is this a Shubham?
That's Sandy? Yeah, to Sandy.
Once more. Another in cut from Sid, not working out, but again looking for trying to use Karan's height on the field. It didn't work out this time. Actually looking at his twins cutting across from the break to the open. Karan has cleared that space. Alright, you have another reset. Dhwani, Mac still looking for that finish, and I believe he's going to go for it, and he does go. It's a score, guys.
It's once again just like the other point. Mac to Siddi. Not Siddi, sorry, Sid.
Trying to get a bite from Sid. Great upline there from Sunil to Krushi. Krushi back to Sunil, and it worked out. Looking for Amitanj, but with no cut up in the end zone.
Looking for that.
There you go. It's a blade to Shubham. Amazing throw right there, and that's the offense we're looking to see in this game, Ajay. With their in cut and great yardage taken in, and you have Mac to Dexter. Dexter looking up, Sid with a run deep. Mac on the disc, Mac to Karan. Karan to Sunil. Sunil with the hard mark on him. Sandy on Mac right now. Mac looking again to finish in the end zone, and he's going for it. A blade upline, and great. It's a great cut from Sid coming in
this time
to Mac. Let's see how this works, guys. Very interesting to see the first time and a whole stack from the Buntais in this match. And there you go, Sid S going up and giving it to Dexter. Dexter with the grab in the end zone. Really good play there. Happen often, and Mac with a long arc, looking long to Karan. Karan there's get it. City gone to the end zone. Sunil has switched and covered the deep end, covering Sid. You have Dexter trying to get away from Nirba, not happening. Mac again finds himself. Mac to City, and there you have it.
So
it is a score, guys.
Forward to.
Definitely me too, Puneet. Always looking for Grumpies to get up there and contest the top of the table right now, which is with Icebreakers and Buntais. Shubham with a save there. Shubham looking to Richa for a clean finish. And you have Grumpies getting back in it. It's a two-point game right now.
And Mac looking for the reset now. A high stall count resets to Dhwani. Dhwani to Sid S. Sid S looking for that score. Sid S to Siddi, just short of the line, and Siddi to Raka for the score.
For Kashish, sorry, my bad. For Sam Mish and for Amritanj. Right, Sid S to Mac. Look, 1-2. The defense is still not set up. An upline to Mac. A very nice floaty pass. Looking for Karan, and a quick finish to Karan.
It's also Jailam.
Also Jailam with a pink cap there. They're syncing up there on the field. Alright. Alright, Nirva upline to Richa. Richa going, and it's going to catch it in the end zone.
Oh, look at that. What an amazing catch from Richa. Tuin resetting to Raka. Raka back to Tuin. Tuin to Mac. Some good flow here from the Buntais. Mac to Dhwani. Dhwani looking for Karan. And sending it a bit high. Does Karan have the height? But Sunil has the legs to jump that height difference and get the deep.
Sandy looking up. Prerna making a cut there. Prerna a little bit open. Sandy with a floaty pass to, but a great sky from Mac, even though it was going over Krushi. But Mac finding himself walking up to the sideline, walking up to the end zone line with the disc. Great throw. Krushi in the power position there. But an interception from Dhwani, and a great positioning there by Dhwani, and a 1-2 Dhwani. Mac getting some great yardage all the way to the half line, and Buntais find themselves in the disc once again in this point.
Fence this time.
Definitely, and a long hug going to and reception from Nirba. Great defense there, and it's just about a pass over the line right now. Mac looking for the finish. Possible hammer to Tuin happening. Tuin in the end zone with the hammer, and that is...
You called it, Kenny. Is it going to be a score?
That's a score. Another hammer for Mac. Mac to Tuin this time.
Few meters of yardage to Sam. It's a patient play, but they're getting pushed towards the sideline now. And they are playing along that sideline. Doesn't look too worried about centering. And there we have it again. Once again, Nirba to Richa. Really risky throws. Just keeping on resetting the disc, waiting for that 100% chance, and they have reaped the benefits of that once again. It's a score from the Bunties.
I feel we started playing with him during the great pull by Sam, and then Sandy scored. That's a good grab and good run.
Sid to Raka, Raka upline to Mac, Mac to Sid T to Mac, Mac. They're finding themselves covering 3/4 of the pitch. Karan, Mac, it's just the defense doesn't have time to set up at this point. It's just so quick, and Mac finished to Dhwani. That was a brilliant offense. Nobody had a chance to set up on the Grumpies. Even though the pull was brilliant, that offensive flow from the Bunties is great to see. Just high fines going around right now. And this has been Puneet, Ajay and myself, Kenwal, bringing you closing down day 4 of the MEL.